Rainbow series. All right, yellow it is. I am not gonna lie, I have tried this so many times already and I just have not gotten the color combination that I like. But I wanted to show you guys how thin the paints are. I'm auto-focusing just a little bit, but runs right off the stick and back into the paint cup. Now you don't want to hold your stick all the way up here to see how the paint's running off. Some people do that and count, but I don't like doing that because gravity is automatically going to make that look like it's going back into the cup. I like holding it just about an inch off and seeing how it reacts off the top of the cup. There's tons of ways to do it, just make sure that you're consistent with it. All right, let me put this down on the canvas. Okay, I tried this. I failed so many times. I tried this with magenta. I tried it with different color bases of of yellow. I was trying to get a bright yellow because I wanted this rainbow series to be very bright. What I ended up doing, but I was limited by what I had, and I have a ton of different paint colors, so I used Arteza Lemon Yellow. And I also used a little bit of Arteza Cadmium Yellow. So I'm gonna kind of do it just like that. And I think in between, I think I'll do the purple next to the orange. So I might get a little bit of, so this was Cadmium Orange, this was Windsor Violet, and this is Windsor Blue. And I might get a little bit of mixing of colors, which is fine. I left my paints just a little bit thicker so they wouldn't kind of just muddy all together with the yellow. So just a little bit less paint. I think I want purple there. And we'll see what composition I come out with, because let me tell you, a lot of paintings went to the graveyard on this one. Don't want to chew too much yellow around, so just a little bit around. Okay, here we go. Let me pop my air bubbles. So yeah, when you're doing these that have different color bases, you got to think about what colors mix together. Popping on my air bubbles. You have to think about what brands you're using. If you're using a metallic, you have to think about the composition. It's difficult. Okay, this is the best one that I've done so far. My goodness. Took me long enough. I am not gonna blow anymore with the blow dryer because this up here will become very muddy if I do. And then I do have a little bit of a puddle of paint right here, but I don't see anything breaking currently, so we'll see how that dries. And then I may just blow just a tiny little bit here. Maybe just fan this down and over here. But the more you do, the muddier it's gonna become, so you gotta be real careful. Hopefully you guys can still see it. Like already, I know this is gonna be kind of muddy. I probably shouldn't even blow right there, but I want just a little bit to run over the side there. And then I think I'll blow, gosh, I love this color combination. And I think I'll just blow right here. Do I like that blow? Not really. I don't want to touch anything up there. See, I should have just left it alone. I don't like that part right there. So you don't like it, you try to fix it. Without making it muddy, I'm gonna grab a paper towel. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm just gonna take my little paper towel and just so that I don't scrape off like the entire thing of yellow paint right here, so as not to waste it. I think I'm just gonna do that. Always have a little bit of extra paint left over, guys. There we go. Okay, now I like that little wispy edge. Okay, and I think one blow. And I know you guys are like, leave it alone. So see, without using the green, I got a really pretty green that I like a lot right there. So I didn't even need to use any. I just used the blue to make the green that I liked. I have one little... Okay, I really like this little area up there. I hope that dries. So let me take you down and show ya. Y'all, I am so proud of this one. Is it in focus? Okay, let me show you the details. No, it's not in focus. Let me show you the details here. That silver is gonna dry really pretty. I'm totally okay with this green that was made. I love that part right there. And there's a little bit of paint in the center. I'm just gonna pray that that doesn't crack or break. And I'll show you guys when it's dry up next to the red and the orange one. So yay, I'm so happy. It finally worked. Well, let's wait and see how it dries. All right, thanks you guys. I'll see you in a bit. Well, here they are. I'm so happy with these thus far. I do wish this one had come out just a little bit brighter, but I really struggled with this one. I love the silver on it. I did not get any breaking here where I thought I might in the center. That's just like a little, the paint was raised there. I actually like the green color and the purple, the way it all came out. I'm really happy with it. So my fails that I had were due to my paint consistency being too thin on some of them, too thick on some of them, not the right yellow, and not the right color combination. So and also not the right composition. I had some that I really liked, but the composition just was not there. So all of those things are important when creating a piece of artwork. So I definitely am very happy with the warm colors, the first three that I did. Next up is green, and I know some of you did not like the green combination that I did before, so make sure that you leave me your recommendations for that one. And I'm so excited to continue on with the series. So thank you guys so much for watching. Happy painting. Bye.